Welcome dear friends. Previously we learned some example related to properties, commutative, associative and distributivity of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Okay, we started exercise 2.2. Today we will solve example question number 5, 6 and 7 of exercise 2.2. Example 5 is a taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. On the next day, he filled the tank with a 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on a petrol? So here, what is the question? On Monday, he filled the tank with a 40 liter, and on next day, means it is a Tuesday, he filled the tank with a 50 liter. Petrol cost is 44 per liter, and you have to find the total cost for 2 days. So here this example can be solved with two methods. First, we will find the cost on Monday by multiplying 44 multiplied with 40. Then we find the cost for Tuesday, 44 multiplied with 50. And after that we will add both of them to get total cost for 2 days. Or we can solve, we will find the total petrol for 2 days. Monday days you petrol find करें, that is 40 plus 50 90, and we multiply 90 with the cost of 1 liter petrol, that is 44, to get total cost. So here it means we are applying the distributivity of multiplication over addition. So here we will solve the second method. Apply the second method. You can also apply the first method. So first, what we have to find on Monday, liter. On Tuesday, 50 liters. So total petrol of 2 days, 40 plus 50 is 90 liters. Okay, we find the total petrol in 2 days. Cost for 1 liter is 44 rupees. $90 is equal to 44 into 90. We multiply this. So total cost for 2 days is 3,960. What we have to find? First of all, we find the total petrol of 2 days, that is 40 plus 90. 40 plus 50, that is 90. And then we multiply it with 44, because cost for 1 liter is 44. The cost for 90 liters is 90 multiplied 44, 3,960. Okay. Now example 6. It is same as the previous one. The vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to the hotel in the morning. In the morning, how much milk is supplied? 32 liters. And 68 liters of milk in the evening. At the evening, how much milk is supplied? It is 68 liters. If milk costs 15 rupees per liter, how much money is due to vendor per day? સવારમાં કેટલું મિલ્ક સપ્લાય કરે છે? 32 લીટર. સાંજે 68 liters. If the cost is 15 liter, how much money is given to the vendor? So first of all, we can find the solution using two methods. First, we will find the cost in the morning. So 15 multiply 32, and we can find the cost in the evening. 15 multiply 68. Or we can find the total milk for day. That is 32 plus 68. એટલે આખા દિવસનું કેટલું મિલ્ક બાય કર્યું એ ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ, અને whatever is quantity we multiply it with 50. So we will apply the second method because it will be easier. You can apply the first one also. So milk in morning, that is 32 liters. Milk in evening 68 liters. So milk per day, that is 32 plus 68 is 100 liters. Okay, milk per day is 100 liters. Cost of milk is 15 rupees per liter. Means 1 liter નો cost કેટલો છે 15 rupees. So cost of 100 liters is equal to 100 into 15, 1500 rupees. This will be overall cost of a day. This way you can find the other example if the numbers are changed. We already solved this kind of example previous video. So now question number 7, match the following. Here first is 3 statements are given and here 3 rules are given and you have to match the rules with the statements. First is 425 multiplied 136 can be written as 425 multiply 6 plus 20 plus 100. Which property is this? Multiplication over addition. Okay, distributivity of multiplication over addition. So it is here. We already solved this property. Next is 2 multiply 49 multiply 50 is equal to 2 multiply 50 multiply 49. What is this? This is commutativity. Means you can change the order in a multiplication. That is commutativity order multiplication. Next is 80 plus 2005 plus 20 is equal to 80 plus 20 plus 2005. In statement it is changing in order in addition. So it is commutativity under addition. With this your exercise 2.2 is over. Now next topic is pattern in our whole numbers. Okay, pattern means you have to refer the previous values, previous steps are क्या होगा इन्हें refer करवाना and then using that you have to write next step. Pattern એટલે શું? Already we learn a pattern in a previous standard. Previous standard pattern તમે learn કર્યા. For example, if this kind of pattern is given, this 4 step is given and there is a blank in the next step and you have to write the next 5th and 6th step. That will be triangle and square. Means from the observing the previous step you have to write next step, that is called a pattern. Okay, same we have to find the pattern for a numbers. So here first topic is pattern in a whole number, that is number can be represented by elementary shapes using dots. कोई पण नंबर को એને shapes માં represent કરે, dots represent કરે. For example, the shapes are line, rectangles, squares and triangles. No other shapes allowed. આ ચાર શેપ માંથી કોઈ પણ શેપ માં એને અરેન્જ કરવાના છે. Line, rectangle, square and triangle. So first, every number can be arranged as a line. બધા જ નંબર ને લાઈન માં તો અરેન્જ થાય. So first 2 can be represented as a 2 dot. 2 dot is what? Line. 5, so 1 2 3 4 5 dots, it is line. Same 10 means you need to represent 10 dots in a line, that represent line. Same, some number can be arranged as a rectangle. Some numbers dots can be represented as a rectangle. For example, here 6 can be arranged as a 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can see here a shape of rectangle. 8, it can be arranged like this. 8 dots can be arranged as a rectangle. So 6 and 8 can be arranged as a rectangle. Some number like 4 or 9 arranged as a square. More numbers are also there. After 9 it is 25, 36 can also be arranged as a square. Here 4 and 9 is the given example. So 4 can be arranged like this in a square. 4 dots can be arranged as a square and 9 dots also arranged as a square. Clear? Next is some number can be arranged as a triangle. You can see first number 3. So 3 dots can be arranged as a triangle. 6 can be arranged as a triangle. 10 also can be arranged as a triangle. It is possible that 6 can be arranged as a triangle, also as a rectangle, and also as a line. Clear? Now, from this point, you need to fill up the table that is in your homework. What you have to do? From 2 to 10, you have to fill the table. Which number can be represented as a line? All number can be represented as a line, so you have to write yes. Now, from this 1 to 10, 2 to 10, which number can be arranged as a rectangle? Which number can be arranged as a square? And which number is arranged as a triangle? That you have to fill in the table. Dots करवाना, means table में dots नहीं करवाना, तुम्हारे rough में dots करवाना. અને જો triangle, square કે rectangle बनતું હોય તો yes લખવાનું, ના बनતું હોય તો no લખવાનું. After filling this table, you need to find the answer for a question below the table. First is which number shown only as a line? આખા ટેબલ માંથી ખાલી લાઈન માં જ yes હોય, means બાકીના ત્રણેયમાં no હોય એવા નંબર્સ લખવાના છે. You can see in a 2 it is yes and remaining are no. So 2 is the number that can be arranged as a line. You have to find the remaining numbers. એવા કયા નંબર છે જે ખાલી લાઈન માં જ yes છે, means that can be only represented as a line. So you have to write numbers in the question answer of first one. Which can be shown as a square? From this table, in which square is yes? For which number square is yes? That you have to write answer 2. કયામાં square બને છે એમાં yes લખવાનું. Third, which can be shown as a rectangle? From this, which number can be arranged as a rectangle? That you have to write numbers. Means number 4 also as a rectangle. Like a square is also a rectangle, so you can write 4 as a square or rectangle. 6 is a rectangle, 8 is a rectangle, 10 is a rectangle. So you have to write 6, 8, 10. Next, write the first 7 number which can be arranged as a triangle. Now you have to write first 7 number that can be arranged as a triangle. First number will be 3, second number will be 6, third number you have to add 4. Every time you have to add more dots, and you have to find the number that can be arranged as a triangle. Here first is 3, then 6, then 10. After that you have to find more numbers that can be arranged as a triangle. What is the use of previous topic? આપણે આગળના ટોપિકમાં જોયું કે ડોટ્સ રીતે રિપ્રેઝન્ટ થાય તો એનો યુઝ શું? That can be asked for a MCQ in 1 marks. Okay, એ ટોપિકને રિલેટેડ 1 marks માં MCQ પૂછાય that which of the following number can be represented as a rectangle, and below you have a values 2, 6, 9 and 15. So which number can be represented as a rectangle? 6. Okay, this kind of question can be asked from previous topic. Again, which number can be represented as a square, and below that you have a 4 option 2, 6, 9 and 20. So which number can be represented as a square? 9. So you have to select the option 9. Okay, now next topic is pattern observation in the numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. How can we use the pattern to find the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division? Here, first example that is given 170 plus 9. It can be represented as a 170 and 9 can be represented as a 10 minus 9. આ already steps આપ્યા છે. જેમ મેં તમને rectangle, square અને triangle નું example આપીને સમજાવ્યું છે એવી રીતે. Some steps are given and from this step you need to find the below steps. So 117 plus 10 minus 1. 9 can be represented as a 10 minus 1. So first of all we will add this to 117 plus 10 is 127. 127 minus 1 is 126. Next is 117 minus 9 can be represented as a 117 minus 10 plus 1. Minus 9 એટલે શું કરવાનું? minus 10 plus 1 અને જો plus 9 107. After that add 1, so it is 108. So you can see with these two steps subtraction and addition become easier. Next is 117 plus 99. Plus 99 can be represented as 100 minus 1. So now we will solve this two first. 117 plus 100 is 270. Minus 1 is 260. Minus 19 is there, then it can be represented as minus 100 plus 1. Now we will perform this two first. 117 minus 100, it is 70. Plus 1 at the last, it is 80. Now use this 4 step to find the remaining answer. So here 263 plus 9. Plus 9 can be represented as plus 10 minus 1. Now we will add these two first. So it is 273 minus 1, that is 272. Clear? Next one, 243 minus 9 can be represented as minus 10 plus 1. So first we will perform this. 233 plus 1 is 234. Okay, next one. 2356 plus 9999. 9 હોય તો શું કર્યું 10 minus 1 અને 99 હોય તો શું કર્યું 100 minus 1. So if 9999 is there, then it is written as 10,000 minus 1. So we can write 2356 plus 10,000 minus 1. Now we will perform this first. So it is 12,356 minus 1, it is 12,355. Clear? Next one. 999 can be written as 1000 minus 1. So 643 plus 1000 minus 1, it is 1643 minus 1. So it is 1642. Now minus 99 is there, it is written as minus 100 plus 1. If it is minus 9, then minus 10 plus 1. So minus 99 is minus 100 plus 1. So again 99 is minus 100 plus 1. So we will perform this first. If you subtract 843 minus 100 is 743 plus 1, 744. Now next one. 8,433 minus 999 means minus 1,000 plus 1. So we will perform this subtraction. 7,433 plus 1 is 7,434. Clear? Now next one. It is 22 multiply 99. 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. So this is the distributive property. So 22 is multiplied with 100 and 22 is multiplied with 1. In between there is a negative sign. So it is 2,200 minus 22 is 2,178. If you perform the subtraction, you will get 2,178. Now next one, 84 multiply 9. It can be written as 10 minus 1. 84 is multiplied with 10 minus 84 is multiplied with 1. It is 840 minus 84, that is 756. If you perform the subtraction, you will get 756. Okay? Now, next is pattern in a division. For some number, you have to apply different multiplication. So, first example is 64 multiply 5 is given. So, how can you find the division in an easy way? 10 can be written as 10 by 5. 5 can be written as 10 by 5. 10 by 5 is 10 by 2 is what? 5. If you perform this, you will get 5. So instead of 5, you can write 10 by 2. Now 60, it is 64 multiplied 10. So it is 640. Divide by 2. If you divide this, you will get 320. One more. 100 divided by 4 is what? 25. Now what you have to do? You can cut the common factor. 4 8s are 32. So now 8 is multiplied with 100. It is 800. 32 multiplied 15. So 15 can be written as 30 by 2. Okay, 15 2s are 30. So 30 by 2 is 15. Now what you have to do? You can cut the common factor. 16 2s are 32. 16 is multiplied with 30. You will get 480. Next example. 64 multiplied 125. So 125 can be written as 1000 by 8. You can cut the common factor. 8 8s are 64 and remaining 8 is multiplied with 1000. It is 8000. Next, 16 is multiplied with 35. 35 means what? 70 divided by 2. 35 2s are 70. So 70 divided by 2 is 35. Now 2 8s are 16. So you can cut it here. 8 into 70 it is 560. 14 into 45. 45 is written as 90 by 2. 45 2s are 90. So 90 divided by 2 is 45. So 90 divided by 2, you can cut the common factor. 7 2s are 40. Now 7 is multiplied with 90 is equal to 630. It means you can change the number using division to make it simpler. Division માં અમુક ઓપરેશન એ રીતે ચેન્જ કરવાના કે એને સિમ્પલ વે માં મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન થાય અને ડિવિઝન થાય. ક્લિયર?